Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Google Analytics 4 for e-commerce tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. If you don't have an account, create a new Google Analytics account. Once logged in, click on the Start Measuring button to set up a new property. Follow the prompts to enter your property name, reporting time zone, and currency. Next, select the Show Advanced Options toggle to enable Google Analytics 4. In this section, you can choose to create a universal analytics property alongside the Google Analytics 4 property. After completing this setup, click Next to proceed. Fill in your business information, including industry category and business size. Choose the purpose of using Google Analytics by selecting the relevant options. Once you've filled out your information, click Create to finalize the new property. Review the terms of service and agree to them to complete the account creation. Now, configure your data streams by selecting Web for an e-commerce website. Enter your website URL and name your data stream appropriately. Make sure to enable enhanced measurement to automatically track important user. After setting up the data stream, click Create Stream to finalize this step. You will receive a measurement ID, which you'll need for the next setup steps. Open your e-commerce website's content management system to add the Google Analytics tracking code. Install the Google Tag Manager plugin if necessary for easier code management. In Google Tag Manager, create a new tag for Google Analytics. Select the tag type as Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Paste the measurement ID you previously set up triggers to define when this tag should fire, typically on all pages. Save your changes and publish your container in Google Tag Manager. Next, implement e-commerce tracking by adding additional tags for tracking purchases and user interactions. Use the Google Analytics GA4 event tag type for these tracking events. Make sure to configure the parameters to capture essential e-commerce data like transaction IDs and product details. Test your tags thoroughly in Google Tag Manager's preview mode to ensure they work as intended. Once confirmed, publish the changes in Google Tag Manager. Return to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Reports section. Here, confirm that your e-commerce tracking is correctly capturing data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.